forget your Instagram password, you cannot log into your Instagram, and you are looking for a video how can you recover your Instagram password. If your answer is yes, then this is the video which you are looking for, because in this video I am going to show you how can you recover your forgotten password. So for recovering forgotten password, there are two processes. I will show you one by one. If first process not work to you, then you have to try second process. So first process, you have to go your search bar, Google search bar, and you have to search here GOOGLE, Google SECU. You can see here Google security. You have to search on it, and then you can see here this kind of interface. You have to click on it. After clicking, you can see it loading. Then you have to scroll down for some time, and then you can see here password manager. You have to click here, and then you have to scroll down. Then you can see here your Instagram. You have to click on it, and then you have to click here continue. After clicking continue, you have to verify that is you, and then you can see here your username, Instagram username or Instagram name, and if you click here eye icon, then you can see here your Instagram password. So this is the first process of seeing your Instagram password, and second process I will show you through Chrome browser. You can see here Chrome browser. You have to simply open it Chrome browser, and you have to open a new tab. After opening new tab, you have to click here simply three-dot line, and then you have to click here settings, and then you have to click here password manager. You can see here password manager, and then you can see how this kind of interface. Scroll down, and you can see here Instagram. You have to click on it simply. After that, you have to verify it's you, and then you can see here your Instagram password. So that's how you can see your Instagram password if you forgot. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.